angels, it's Aidette, and today I'm coming to you with a brand new video in a new space. I'm currently fixing up my beauty space. I have a new room where I'm going to be doing all of that stuff. It's just going to be a very inspiring area for me to do videos, and it's just going to keep me pumped to keep content up for you guys. Anyway, I am doing this look here. This is all with brand new products. So if you guys have that itch to splurge at Sephora for no reason, girl, I got you, because I have tons of products that are really good. Just keep on watching. Let's go. Okay, my angels, so I'm about to start off with my brows. All of these products are brand new. So for my brows, I'm going to be using this Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Brow Pencil. This is in the shade... No, like it's fine. It's fine. This is in the shade medium brown, and my hair is lighter, if you guys didn't notice. A lot more blonde, like at the tips, and I wanted it to be a blonde. I wanted it to be brown blonde. So I'm just gonna speed through this process and let you guys know if I like it. It looks like a good match. It does seem to be a pretty good color match, but it is a little bit warmer than I would want it to be. I do like my brows to be a little bit more on the ashy side, so I do have a concealer to try. This is the new Tarte Creaseless Concealer. I'm so excited to try this because I personally love the Shape Tape. So I'm going to be using the lighter shade to carve out my brows. This is the shade 25S. It is quite thick, to be completely honest. It's a little bit thicker than the Shape Tape. I feel like this one's a little bit more sticky. The other one's a little bit more watery. Moving on to the Tarte Busy Gal Brows. Black brown, so this is going to be a little dark for me right now. Oh my goodness! So tiny! Oh, okay. Wow. Okay, so that's really nice. I did get like a little spot of products on there, so I'm gonna just... So the verdict on the brow products is I like the Tarte pencil. This one is very creamy, but I do have to say that it's not my favorite, but it is very good. And then I also really do like the Busy Gal Brows. That's really nice. It has a very small applicator, so it makes it look like you have hair strokes. And the concealer, I think that this is meant mostly to be like applied on your face. I feel like it was good, but I feel like it's not as good as the Tarte Shape Tape. Play with some foundation. I am now slowly turning into a foundation before eyeshadow girl. These new foundations from Maybelline. These are stick foundations, and these are called the Super Stay Foundation Stick. Today's shade that I'm going to be using is a 220 Beige Natural. I'm trying to get my tan on, guys. I haven't been tan in a long time, but this is a natural tan, and I'm very proud. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this foundation. I did have some primers to try out, but I'm not a big fan of primers. I literally do not use primers. I think that primers are a myth. I'm gonna be taking this to... Oh, that is creamy. Right away, filled in my pores. And it comes with this sponge applicator at the end, and I'm kind of scared to use it, but we will use it on an area of the face. Okay, wait, actually this is working really well. What the heck? Maybe it'll be better if I wet it like a beauty blender. Maybe it won't soak up as much product, because I can tell that it is soaking up some product. So what I have to say about this beauty sponge is that it's actually not bad. Like, if you don't have a beauty blender on you, this is not even bad. Like, it totally does the job. I give Maybelline like a nice 7 out of 10 on this foundation. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it at one layer, because I do have some concealers that I'm gonna be putting all over my face. And I also have the shade 334 Warm Sun, so I can cream contour for you guys. And then I'm also gonna be taking my concealer. So I'm gonna be taking Medium Honey 34H. This one's a very nice yellowy shade. You guys know I love my yellow tones. This is 32S Medium Sand. I think this is the one that I used on my brows, because the other one was a little bit more peachy, and I do like my yellow tones. And I'm gonna be taking my beauty blender to blend out my concealer. Yeah, it is really good. Do you guys see that difference? So this is like a very brightened eye. It's a very dewy finish. If you are normal skin to dry skin, this is really good for you. Because also, guys, if you guys have noticed, I am in a new kind of spot. I am working on my beauty room. This is what it looks like with just the concealer blended out, and it actually looks really nice. My leg is falling asleep. Okay, blend. All right, Maybelline, we see that blend. I am completely digging this look. It makes my face look snatched. They're very versatile. You could use them for either foundation, a light coverage, or you could even build it up. I haven't tried doing that, but I'm pretty sure you can. That is pretty much it for the cream contour. It is looking mighty freaking juicy, if you ask me. Okay, Maybelline, I see you. I actually give them an 8 out of 10 on these. While we're waiting, I'm gonna be going ahead and using this Goodnight Coconut Lip Sleeping Pack by Rude. I always like to just moisturize my lips, so keep your lips hydrated too, sis. They need some love. And I do have a product that I have been using recently. This is actually the Huda Beauty powder. This one is in the shade Cupcake Patcher thing right here, but I actually kind of like it because it doesn't make your powder go all over the place since it is a really big pot. Kind of like a shell pink undertone to it, but it doesn't show at all. And it doesn't have flashback either. The concealer claims to be creaseless, but I am seeing a little bit of creasing right here. It feels really good. It's like very finely milled, which I do like. It kind of reminds me of the MAC and Patrick Star powder. I like it, but it's not my favorite. And for my powder brush today, guys, I have this super cute set that I got from Tarte yesterday. When I saw these, I just about died. So this is what they look like. They just remind me of my childhood when I would use like very girly little things for like wands and stuff and pretend to be a princess. And it comes with these tips at the end, cute little stars. So I thought that it was the cutest thing ever. This is a new bronzer that I haven't tried yet. This is the Hotel High Risk. So I have used this product before, but I haven't used this name before. This one's a little bit darker than Park Avenue Princess. That one is a really good product, but I would say that only use it if you're fair. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the areas where I want it, and then I'll further blend out. That is really pretty, so I really do like that. That's a very nice color. But this is the Tarte Risque Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. It's like a soft, subtle, dusty pink. Ooh, pretty. I applied a little too much. And then with the smaller brush, it looks like this. I'm going to be using it to contour my nose. And I'm going to be taking that same Tarte bronzer.
So hungry, I should have gotten food.
So if you guys have been noticing, I've been using this for a mirror. This is actually what I used for my birthday. And if you guys want a tutorial on what I wore for my birthday, let me know so I can use this in it. But today, I'm going to be using these two new Lime Crime Plushies palettes. This one is in Fresh Squeezed and this one is in Sweet Blends. So I decided I want to use Fresh Squeezed for my palette. So I think I'm going to start off with jackfruit and then mix it a little bit with mango. Ooh, that is so pretty. The eyes are looking very nice. I'm just going to go ahead and take orange juice right here and I'm going to put it into my crease and also on the lower lash line. And then for the actual lid, I'm going to be using jackfruit. Oh, this color orange juice is actually like very pink toned. So I'm going to be going back in with that yellow because we did lose it a little bit when I was blending the orange juice color. Going in with all three of those warm tones that I went in with. And just balancing out the top with the bottom. I like how soft of a look it can give you if you just pat it in the right way. I love this look because it kind of just reminds me of like a very summery strawberry type look. I think I'm just gonna put a little bit in the crease and the tiniest bit on the lower lash line, like just a very soft, subtle hint. Ooh, I'm getting Lisa Frank vibes. Heck yeah. Oh, I think we are pretty much done, but I am going to be taking a little bit more of the yellow because I want the yellow to be a little bit more of the main focus. So now I'm going to go ahead and move on to my mascara and my lashes. I have been loving these lashes recently. I wore them yesterday for my birthday. These are the new like unicorn collection. This is actually not a new mascara. This is the Voluminous Milling Lashes. This is just like a rediscovery. I just put on my lashes and now everything is all done and good. So I'm going to be going ahead and moving on to my lips. But beforehand, I'm actually going to be taking my favorite since a long time already, the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. They did change the packaging. So I'm just soaking my face, so then by the time that I'm done with my lipstick, my face will be prepared for my highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and maybe start off with just a liquid lipstick. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one here, which is called the Full On Lip Cream by Buxom. So since I do like my lighter pink lips, I am going to go ahead with this Wet n Wild gloss. This is their Aquarius gloss. Ooh, yes! Just in case you were wondering, I'm dying. This is probably my new favorite lip gloss. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you enjoyed like this chit chat get ready with me. I feel like it was a little bit more casual and it was a cool little way to do like first impressions, but still like kind of catching up in a way a little bit. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to my angels the next time. Was I really about to end this video without applying my So Hollywood by Anastasia? Come on, Aidette, get it together. Now we're done. Okay, bye guys.